Hi friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah. Today I'm going to be opening a haul of skincare samples. Okay, so if you've watched any of my previous videos, especially the life update video, I mentioned that I got my esthetician license and I'm opening my salon. And I also mentioned that I wanted to try different products and see how they compare. And I have been hoarding, probably for the last couple months, a bunch of skincare samples. Not from Marshalls, this is just the bag that I had, but I have a lot. And I haven't had a chance to go through them yet, but every time I see on Facebook or Instagram or just online in general, like a free sample or a free trial or even like a couple dollars for like a set of something, I got it so that I could test it out. So I have been super busy opening my salon, so I haven't actually got a chance to try them out, look at them, see any of the ingredients or anything. I just kind of was like, that's free, let me just get it. So now I have an ungodly amount of products to go through. So I'm gonna unbox them in front of you, and I don't remember what I got, so this is gonna be fun. There might be some makeup products in here, I have no idea, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start with this box that says Geology. I think I am saying that right. So this one was a free trial for a whole skincare set. And it comes in a box like this. And I don't remember too much about it. I will be going, when I review these, I will be doing separate videos for all of these. So I will go more in depth with what it is. So this looks like it is a more for acne prone skin. So this actually comes with a face wash, I got 2 face washes. They gave me 2 face washes. I think that was on accident. It came with a moisturizing morning cream. It came with a pump at night. What is that? Oh, an eye cream. I was looking at the back. So it came with an eye cream, and then it comes with a night cream. So a day and a night thing, an eye cream, and 2 face washes. Maybe they thought that I needed 2 face washes to get me through the rest of this. I'm not sure. So that's from Geology. Let's see what else is in here. There is a little meal kit thing and some instructions on how to use it. So I will be going a more in-depth video on that one. I think this was a month supply. So that's good because you want to try something for about a month to see the real results of it. So that's a good one. Let's see what else I have in here. So this one is Anthelios UV Correct SPF 70. So this is a sunscreen. So this is just one little sample that I got. And it gives me a coupon for another. So this is just a anti-aging sunscreen. So you should be using sunscreen every day. So I'm excited to see how that feels and check that out. So what else is in here? All right, so this is from Fiji Beauty. Okay, so there's a day cream, a night cream, and a cleanser to remove makeup. So that's from Fiji Beauty. I believe this was also another free sample box that I just saw on Facebook. I'll try to link anything that I can still find down below for you if you guys want to try these out too. Okay, what else did I get? All right, so I have an anti-aging eye cream from LL Skincare. So I think I might have bought this, but it was like on sale, like for like a couple bucks instead of like the $40 that it was. So I want to test this out because always need an eye cream. As you can see, my mom gave me the blessed dark circles. This is a CeraVe, I don't know how to say this name. which it's a very it's a very popular thing, moisturizer, but I never know how to say it. So this is just a moisturizer, a facial moisturizing lotion. I was more curious to look at the ingredients of this because it is a very popular drugstore moisturizer that I wanted to see if it actually works. Okay, so this one is from Curology. I think it customized it towards my skin. So I think they like took a picture. I'm not sure if that's the one that this was, but they let you try it out. I haven't even opened it yet. So it comes with a lip balm, nourishing vegan formula, passion fruit. I guess I'll open it. You'll be the first ones to see. All right. So this one. Okay. So this one comes with, I think this was also like pay like a small price and get the whole skincare, but then you have to go back and like change your subscription because it will automatically charge you for the next like month if you don't. So be careful on that one. So this one is, again, this is Curology. There is a cleanser. And then there is micellar makeup remover. Micellar is good. We love micellar. An acne body wash. So this is an acne line. What is this one? Oh, this is it's a prescription because it has my name on it and it has different ingredients and the different percentages, but it doesn't tell me exactly what it is. I think it's formulated specifically for me. So, because it has my name on it. I'm assuming that it's some sort of acne cream that you put on before night and it's supposed to help with acne. And then we have the sunscreen, SPF 30, and the moisturizer, and then the lip balm. And then this is an emergency spot patch, fast acting healing support. 8 patches. So I'm curious on how that works. Again, I'll do a separate video on each of these. So yeah, that was Curology. Okay, so the next one I have is the SkinCeuticals. So I believe this is an esthetician product that I was able to get. And this is a HA intensifier corrector. So this is a anti-aging serum. I have to look at all the ingredients and figure out what exactly it does, but they gave me a little sample of it. I'm excited to see what this does. So this serum can just be used in like your regular skincare line. So I'll probably use it while I'm using something more simple. And then I have 3 ships. So it came like this. I'm not sure how that didn't fall apart on me. It did. But so this was 3 ships, like a sailor. So that's that. I dropped something like usual. I had to drop at least one thing. Okay, so this comes with a purifier. So that is the cleanser. The Superfruit Lactic HA exfoliating mask. So this is a mask. Then there is vitamin C serum. It has long names. It's like dewdrops, mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C serum. It's a serum. And then we have the day cream, the grape stem cell plus blah, 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 blah. And then it came with a bioretinol serum and so these are biodegradable eye masks. So that's exciting. So yeah, so that's another thing I'm excited to try. And then we have, oh, we actually have some makeup in here. Actually, I think I'm gonna do this. So this is actually Luminous, which is airbrush makeup. So I'll do a separate review on that. It's just foundation, airbrush foundation. Okay, now we have, what is this one? This one is Reversal. So it just came in like an envelope. And then it opens up like this and it comes like this. So this has a cleanser. Where's the cleanser? Oh, it comes in days. Okay, so the first 5 days you're using these two products. So it's a cleanser and a moisturizer. And then the next 6 to 10 days, you're adding this anti-redness serum. So this is for people with redness in their skin. So I wanted to test it out. Now my sensitivity of my skin is like only like a 4, but I do get a little red. So I want to see how that kind of works with that. And then you're doing that for the rest of this. And then you're adding an exfoliating glycolic peel. It's a bonus, apparently. So I think this might be one of the first ones I try out, because it's a whole 30-day one. So I want to try that. Okay, and then there's 8 Saints. So 8 Saints. Have no idea if this is backwards for you. Okay, so this one comes with, it comes with a lot of stuff actually. And I think I got all of this for only like $8. So I wasn't too sad about that. Okay, so it comes with a vanilla lip mask. It comes with a vitamin C cream. It's called Cloud Whip. They have such fancy names for all of these things. Anti-aging night cream. Another vitamin C serum. What is the difference? I don't know. Let me see. We've got vitamin C serum and C cream. I'm going to find out when I do the full video what the difference of these are. So, all right, so the next thing we have is a deep clean cream cleanser. They're really tiny. They're really cute though. Look how colorful they are. It's so cute. And then we have a scrub, bamboo detox scrub. So it's a scrub. And then in these little jars, we have gel radiance serum, seaweed toner, and a mud gel cleanser. So that's interesting. I'm gonna read up on all of this stuff and see what it all does. And then we have brightening treatment. So this is a hyaluronic acid. So I do have a little sensitivity to hyaluronic acid. So I'm interested to see what that does. Hydration gel for the night and a hand cream. It comes with a hand cream. It comes with a lot of stuff. I think I think the basic set was 8 and then the next set was like 13. I might have gotten that one. So because there's a lot of stuff in here. Then there's a day moisturizer, an eye cream, and a triple whip body butter. That's exciting. Okay, I'm excited for that. It's really tiny, so it'll probably only last me once, but I'm excited to try it. All right, so that was the 8 Saints. I think I'm most excited to try this one because it has so many things and it's so cute. So I'm very excited to try that one. Let me know in the comments which one you want me to try first, or which one you're excited to try, or for me to try. Which one are you excited for me to try? Okay, so a few more things here. So we have NYX's Face Freezy. It is a cooling primer and moisturizer. So that is this. It's only one sample, but it's supposed to be a primer. So maybe I'll try it in one of my makeup looks. And then we have L'Oreal's Age Perfect Cell Renewal Eye Cream. So that's another eye cream for us to try. And then also L'Oreal's Midnight Cream. Firm, smooth, wrinkles, 24-hour hydration. So this is just another night cream, one sample. So I'm not going to be able to really tell anything about it except for how it feels, but I'll give it a try and I'll look up the ingredients. Okay, so our last one is from Hannah Lay. I think that's how you say it. Okay, so the Hanalei comes with a it's Hawaiian. That's why. So I think I said it right. Okay, so it comes with a Hawaiian face cleanser with aloe E. It comes with a lip treatment in mauve pink. That's interesting. And then Hawaiian eye cream with Kona peptide. So that's from Hanalei. Hanalei. I think it's Hanalei. If it's Hawaiian, I think that's how you say it. All right, guys. Well, that's my haul. I wish you could see my table right now. It's filled. So I'm excited to start trying this stuff. Let me know down below which ones you want to see and which ones you're most excited for. I think I might try this reversal one first because it is the most gentle one. And I think I'm going to work my way up from there. So I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, so that was my haul. I will link some of this stuff down below. So if you want to try it out yourself, or if you want to get it and then we can try it out together when my videos come out, you can do that too. Yeah, and I'll see you next week.